To use Humble, you will need two things. First, either a MyAlgo or ParaAlgo wallet. The second being tokens. This guide will show you how you can buy Algo via Wyre. First, make sure your wallet is connected on Humble. Then click Buy Algo via Wyre at the top of the page. Choose your quantity of Algo, how you will pay, and the text version of your country code. On the Send Wire pop-up, you will see the requested Algo purchase information, including quantity, wallet address, rates, and fees. Click to agree to the user agreement, then hit Next. You will now enter your payment information. Once it is filled, click Submit. The order will now be processed. You will receive confirmation of your order, with the option to track the progress through the tracking link. Once completed, the funds will appear in your wallet.